Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Avast Antivirus on Windows 10, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Avast Antivirus on Windows 10, start by clicking on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, locate and click on Programs. Next, click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to find Avast Antivirus. Once you locate Avast, click on it to select it. Then, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. A confirmation prompt may appear. Click Yes to continue with the uninstallation process. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Avast Setup Wizard. You may be asked to choose whether you want to delete your Avast account information. Select your preference. Once the uninstallation process is complete, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After your computer restarts, check that Avast has been successfully removed by searching for it in the list of installed programs. If you still see Avast in the list, consider using the Avast Removal tool for a thorough uninstall. Download the Avast Removal tool from the official Avast website. Run the tool, following the on-screen prompts to completely remove any remaining Avast files. After the process is finished, restart your computer once again to ensure all components are fully removed. You have now successfully uninstalled Avast Antivirus from your Windows 10 device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.